My favorite wood fill for nail holes and pinholes in clear finished furniture is CA glue. It's just really simple and fast. I think it does a great job, and it's a pretty good color match. So all you're going to do is sand your project a little bit so the sawdust fills the nail hole. Put a drop of the CA glue on top of the nail hole. That's going to naturally mix with the sawdust. Hit it with the activator and your nail hole is filled. I'm using the Star Bond medium. That's just what I have in the shop here, but I'm sure other CA glues will work. And this is what I used when I filled the pinholes on the white oak chest of drawers. It's the same process for the walnut sofa table that I just finished, and it's what I'm using here on this Sapele bookcase base. So it's just what I've been using for years. I think it works great. Like I said, it's a pretty good color match, but it's not perfect. It's always going to be a little bit darker. And when it comes to wood fill, I think darker is better because most imperfections in wood are always darker. If you think of wood knots, they're always darker than the actual board. I've had a lot of questions about wood fill recently, so I just wanted to make this short video. Even though it's covered in the long format video for the chest of drawers and the sofa table project that I had planned to post today, I will be posting the long format video for that project next week because I didn't get a chance to deliver the table yet. And I really want to show you what the table looks like in the client's home. So that's it for now. If you're looking for a project, I hope that you'll click on the link below. I've got a lot of great woodworking plans with tutorials on YouTube. And with the holidays coming, maybe the blanket chest would be a good project to build for somebody. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Before you start your next project, visit my website and check out my professional woodworking plans. The detailed instructions, along with material lists and free video tutorials on YouTube, will help you build a project that will last a lifetime.